Here is how to temporarily deactivate Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Badoo account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section like this. Then after, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right and then tap on the settings icon on the top. Tap on account. Then you'll find the hide account option on the top. The hide account option is the same as temporarily deactivating your accounts. Other people won't be able to see your account on the encounter section and won't be able to interact with it. So you can simply tap on the box on the right and then hide your account. There is no other option particularly labeled as temporary deactivation. So you can simply hide your account and then come back to make it visible by unchecking the box when you want it. So in this way you can temporarily deactivate Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.